The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Toyota Tundra short bed. So the customer had the pre-existing headache rack, and we've just installed the Yakima OverHaul HD system and height matched them to essentially have a 3-bar system on the bed of his truck for more support. So this is using the OverHaul HD towers, HD load bar 68 inches in length, and in bed track kit 1, which allows us to attach the rack to this OEM in-bed track or rail system that you see here. So the racks are height adjustable from about 19 inches to about 33 inches. Overall weight carrying capacity of about 500 pounds. So a really great system overall. Locks are included to keep it secured to the truck. Down the road, if he wanted to remove everything and put a tonneau cover, there's a tonneau kit to convert the crossbars over to work with that as well. So a really great system for carrying all sorts of, whether it's work material or recreational material, just a really great system overall. But anyways, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.